The 5 whys to find your intrinsic motivation. By repeating why 5 times, the nature of the problem, as well as its solution, becomes clear. Taiichi Ono, industrial engineer at Toyota. To find your intrinsic motivation, you need to find the deeper meaning behind why you want to change your bad habits and the countermeasure. An effective way to find the root source of why you want to change your bad habits is by asking yourself the question why 5 times. Sometimes it will be more, sometimes less. In this way, your intrinsic motivation will come to light. Write down your deeper reason and keep it visible to yourself. Let's have a look at this example of someone who is single. Why do you want to lose weight? Because I want to fit into nice clothes. Why do you want to fit into nice clothes? Because I want to find a good partner. Why you want to find a good partner? To enjoy my life with someone, maybe have a family. Why do you want to enjoy your life with someone and have a family? To have a better purpose in life. Why do you want to have a better purpose in life? To feel accomplished, content. In this case, you want to lose weight to feel content and accomplished in life. Let's have a look at this example of someone who is sick and has a family. Why do you want to lose weight? Because I want to have less pain. Why do you want to have less pain? Because I want to be healthier. Why you want to be healthier? To enjoy my life with my family and the people I care for. Why do you want to enjoy your life with your family? Because they mean a lot to me and I want to be there for them. Why do they mean a lot to you? Because I love them. In this case, you want to lose weight because you love your family. Think of the act of brushing your teeth. When you were little, your parents would have taught and helped you with it, until you could manage by yourself. You might have fumbled around in your first few tries, and may have needed your parents' help again. They may even have had to keep reminding you to brush your teeth in the morning, until you were old enough. Eventually, though, brushing your teeth would have become a habit, and you'd feel disgusted with yourself for not doing it. Once you appreciate how good it feels, you will also remind others, not because it's regarded as a duty, but because it makes you feel better. Let your new behavior become a good habit by discovering your intrinsic motivation.